Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out these seat covers in the 2024 GMC Sierra 3500. It's an awesome looking set of seat covers. Java Croc diamond stitch for the insert, Midnight Croc for the trim, American flag headrest logos. Just a really cool combination that we did inside here for the front and rear covers. Let's check them out. So the fabrics that we used inside this vehicle on this set of seat covers is the Java Croc diamond stitch for the insert. So you can see that's the brown tones inside here, and that's diamond stitch. So it just gives it double the foam backing inside there and just really pops when you do that diamond stitching. And so we always recommend doing diamond stitching when you're able to. Now the trim is out of the Midnight Croc fabric. So it's the same type of fabric. It's upholstery grade vinyl. It's gonna wear and feel a lot like a leather does, and just gonna be a great fabric. It's gonna be a waterproof, durable, and tight fitting fabric to your seats. We guarantee a tight fit to your vehicle, whatever it is. And you give us the year, make, model, and seat styles, we build it up, and it's gonna be an awesome looking set, just like this one. So again, Java Croc, Midnight Croc, great combination with blacks and brown tones. If you have some brown tones or black tones inside your vehicle, this is really a good combination to go with. Here is the bottom seat now. This is the driver bottom. This is the cover that gets the most wear and tear, guys. And so you want a good fabric that's gonna be waterproof and durable as you're getting in and out. Now you can see here's that Java Croc right here with that double foam backing. So it is a little bit more comfortable. I do get a lot of guys saying, hey, that really made my seats a lot more comfortable with that extra foam backing on those seat covers. And just a really nice tight fitting seat cover here. You can see that this seat cover also has multiple panels to it. So you can see here's a panel on the outside right here, another panel, and those multiple panels are sewn together to really conform to the seat a lot better than if you just had one or two pieces of fabric sewn together. Now, so you can see that it just conforms and lays onto the seat a lot better. And just a really nice, tight-fitting, durable cover as you get in and out of here. These are gonna last a long time. A lot of the times, these last the duration that a customer owns the vehicle. Sometimes they're trading in or selling the vehicle before they do anything else with the seat covers. Now, we didn't do any front pockets on this particular set for this customer. He chose to have it just nice and clean on the front side, no pockets. He didn't want to have an extra storage pocket, but if you want to have an extra storage pocket to conceal your pistol or other gear, we offer front MOLLE gun pockets for the front side, also side pistol holsters for the side of the seat. So check those out on our website. Again, MOLLE gun pockets or pistol holsters for some extra storage on the front side of your seats. Now here is the console. This is a flow-through hard console. So it's just a lid that lifts up like this. If you had a console that lifts up into a seat, that's called a 20 section. And that 20 section would have 3 separate covers to it. This one just has one cover to it right here. This was a leather that the customer really wanted to protect, because as he rides, he puts his right arm right here, and he gets after years of use, you're going to start wearing through that original leather, and you're going to crack it, and you're going to get an elbow mark right there as you drive. So this is going to help protect that. It's going to protect the cover, and it looks really nice too, because it's in the Midnight Croc here. And so whatever trim choice you choose, trim choice of fabric, that's what's going to flow into your middle section here. So that's why it's that black Midnight Croc. And so just a nice tight fitting console lid cover right here. That console's still going to fold and function just how it should. Now let's check out the headrest. This is the driver headrest. You can see it's decked out in the Midnight Croc, that black Croc, really cool looking, and just a nice tight fitting cover you can see right there. And I have an install video showing you how to get all these covers on nice and tight, just like this. And I'm gonna lift that up a little bit because you can see it's going to have coverage underneath that headrest area right there. And this is a headrest that does not remove easily. GMC does not make it easy for you to remove it. So the backrest is made in a way that you can actually just open this Velcro section up, pull that over the headrest right here, and then close up that Velcro section and still get really nice coverage there. So this pulls down right there like that. And another thing I want to point out is the really cool American flag headrest logos inside here. We always do the outside headrest, and we always recommend doing the front and back matching. So we have the American flags inside here, just a really cool logo. So check out the different logos that we offer there. This one with the American flag popped out really nice. So on the back side, we have the rear map pockets. This is just a large pocket to drop your first aid gear, your jacket, binoculars, just one big, large pocket. Do check out the option for the Special Ops package if you want to upgrade to that. If you want to have more pockets, if you choose the rear map pocket, then it's made from your trim choice of fabric, in this case, the Midnight Croc. If you chose the Special Ops package, it would be made out of a canvas fabric, either black or your choice of camouflage or other solid color. Now we're checking out the rear seats back here. This is a 60/40 bottom seat with a solid backrest and an armrest that folds down with cup holders in it, 3 headrests, and side storage compartment doors. So this is actually the most complex truck seat that we offer seat covers for, and we're gonna walk through it, show you how all the different sections work. First, the armrest. So there's an armrest cavity right here with inner liners, which finish out really nice like that. And so you can see the armrest also has its own cover, pushes back in right there, and then pulls back out. There's gonna be a cutout for your pull tab right here, and also a cutout here for your cups, your cup holders and bottles right there. So that's all still gonna fold and function just how it should. Again, that backrest is all one solid piece, but then there's these side storage compartment doors in it, which is really unique. So I'm gonna open one of those up, and so you can see there's still access to your storage. You can put your gear on the inside right there, and there's a separate cover for that little door that opens up right there. Okay, and the door, the front face of the door is gonna be made out of whatever insert choice of fabric you choose. In this case, it was Java Croc, the brown Croc, with diamond stitch on it. So really cool to see that. And then the trim on the outside, you're gonna see that trim color around it. Also on the very sides of that storage door, you're gonna see the trim choice of fabric, which is Midnight Croc in this case. Also inner liners on this right here. So just like that armrest cavity that I was showing you there, there's inner liners just to make sure it finishes out really nice. I have a full install video showing you how to install all of this, so you can dial it all in, look just as good like this. These are covers that go over the original upholstery, meant to protect the seats. These original seats were leather seats in here. 3 separate headrests. You're gonna notice the outside headrests are larger, so they need separate covers compared to this middle headrest is a smaller cover. Again, everything is guaranteed to fit nice and tight to your truck, whatever truck that you have. I'm gonna fold up this bottom seat now because I wanna show you this bottom seat is a 60/40 bottom with underside coverage. So if you have the wet dog, dirty gear that you're taking in and out of this truck, well, it's gonna be so much easier to clean now where this is covered right here. And so you can see full coverage going down the back side. This still folds and functions just how it should. Seat belts, you're gonna have your cutouts for the seat belts. Also your child seat attachment bars, which are called ISOFIX bars. Those are gonna be accessible as well for you to lock in those child seats. The 40 section over here as well is gonna fold independently and have its own cover. Again, we go over all of this, how to install it in our install video, so you can get this exact look inside your vehicle and just turn out really nice. Doing the rear seats back here, matched up with the front now, and totally transforms the interior of the vehicle. Thanks for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, cars, SUVs, and UTVs, with really that focus on those trucks and UTVs. So if you are thinking about getting seat covers, jump over to coversandcamo.com. We look forward to helping you soon. Again, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers.